up, YouTube? It's Haley. This is gonna be my first video. Not really an intro video. I think I'm gonna do another video where I do like, I'm gonna ask my like Instagram followers and Snapchat people like questions that I should answer because they know me the most. They know what's gonna help you guys know me better. This is my separate channel. Me and Vance, we got a channel together, which we're gonna actually post our first video on there. Today is currently the 24th, which you can't see, whatever. It's the 24th of October. I think for my first video, because this is mostly me, like this is how I am as a person, I'm gonna clean my car. Like as you can see, it's not exactly a mess, but you know, it could use some cleaning. The outside definitely some cleaning because I drive an hour to and from work every single day, like an hour there, an hour back. So the amount of bugs that is on the front of my car right now, I'm not bougie at all, don't think that, but I can't stand having a dirty car. So today we're gonna go clean my car. You guys are gonna come along with me. One thing about it, baby, if my wheels ain't shiny, my car ain't clean. I don't care how many times I go to the car wash. Alright y'all, so I'm finally through the car wash. I'm currently at the part that you vacuum. I'm ducked off a little bit. Everybody else is on that side. Yeah, so I'm finna dry the car off. I don't do it thoroughly because it's just not my thing. Like I really focus on the front because that's where all the bugs be at and that kind of stuff. Vacuuming and the trash out is like my biggest priority because that's really what makes me feel like my car is dirty, is the inside. And I'm gonna wipe everything down when I get to the house because I like to do the interior at the house, considering that I can like spend time on it and not feel like I'm being rushed, if that makes sense. So I'm not gonna show me drying the car off only because I mean it just takes 3 times as long and I don't like the watermarks left on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back when I'm vacuuming out and getting all my trash out so you can see how much trash is really in my car, because it might not look like a lot right now, but it really is. For me, it's a lot, and I can't do that. Like I feel like people can't get in my car because then it's dirty. But I'm already back because I'm actually low-key irritated now because I can't even dry the outside of my car off because they don't have any rags. I literally can't. But it is currently 1:27. Yeah, y'all finna see me clean up a little bit, vacuum, take trash out, and then I'll go back to the house and clean it inside, and I'll take y'all along with me. All right. Alright, so I know I said that it didn't feel that hot to me, but baby, I'm burning up. So we finna do a quick outfit change, and then I'm gonna go outside. And the car wash didn't get all the bugs off the front of my car, so I'm gonna scrub it myself, and then we can get started on the inside. Okay, so for the fit change, I just got one of Vance's Nike shirts on, got Nike Pros on, and my Crocs. Don't mind the Burger King, but, and then I just clipped my hair up real quick because I can't even tell y'all, it's hot out there. And for me to say it's hot, it's fucking hot. Yeah, that's my favorite part. I had to come inside because it's really loud outside. But this is my favorite part. Y'all can see my car go from 2 to 100, I promise.